Ibe kiama kia UPA nigo baruruko boria gutia Abasae kubata Chikura sobonge buna baki Chikura nari barachiko chora barayi baria bukugania kore kwabo abarayi abo bomerana n'Abasae be county ya Nairobi amona chire chiyetane nime yomuchi yo mubogani yo mase umuchi yo Nairobi nigo batebire buna MATIANG'I NERE OISAINE KOIRA OMORAI BW'ENSE William Samuel Ruto INKA na igo nigo baguche kumusira sobonge buru musekyo itolinet nyambane agotumanya sobwagari
Abasae basemigwe kubwata Chikura asobonge erio kweyarigania asobochori bu mwaka bw'ekirubere 2025 okuo no kuboria kurwa ase abarayi na Abasae bekiama kya UPA abo bakora egeikaro imeyo mucho Nairobi ase bakwanira chinchira baguchya gwekinia gesiasa.
Na kwa chama ya UPA tunaamini ya kwamba nguzo ya kila chama cha siasa hapa Kenya ni vijana. Chama cha UPA kinaweka vijana mbele kwa maneno yote ya ambayo inaambatana na chama. Chama cha UPA kinapanga kusimamisha vijana wengi sana katika uchaguzi ujao. Chama cha UPA kimeanzisha mikakati ya kuzindua kikundi cha vijana ambacho kitaendeleza kampeni na sera za chama mpaka mashinani.
As you can see here today, we have had a very fruitful meeting with our county youths in Nairobi. These youths have come from all the 17 constituencies in Nairobi and quite a number of wards. The main aim for this meeting was to make sure we sensitize our youths and we train them and how to be prepared coming. We register a lot of members. We want to make sure these people sensitize youths and the general public to make sure that everybody has got a vote. We want to make sure that as we approach this election, we do something once. We are tired with this government, and the only thing we can do is to wake up very early in the morning, go to the ballot box, and make sure the current president goes home.
Abasae abo baikirana asense meyo nigo batebire tibagokirie n'oborayi boreo asebo no batianire gochia kwene kianko genda borenka asobochori borebosio.
We are not happy with what is going on with the government, and youth wamechoka sana na mambo ambayo yanaendelea. For that initiative we are continuing with other youths to confirm that tuko kadi na pia tunataka kumalizana na uongozi wa Kasongo.
Meli ya Frederick Okengo Matiang'i kuingia State House imeng'oa nanga. You cannot stop an idea whose time has come. We have decided as youths that we are going to rally behind Dr. Fred Matiang'i because we saw what he did in the education sector. We saw what he did in the security sector, and most of the students here, 95% of them are university students. Right now, they are at risk of dropping out of universities because the education sector has collapsed.
Nigo bono batebire, nigo baguchia kogenderera korandia enchiri y'Abasae kwerikia asobonge anene koba ababwatani be kiama kyo kya UPA.
Igo twaigwananire ne bichana nga togende twerike, togende isiko totebia abantu banyare ko bakwerika. Einere gange nene yaito yoko baiga. Iria kabere twabatebiri banyare ko bakwerika ase chameye ase ngenchekere kwerikire. Nyorekere nomination yerabe totagete korigie bichana because asobogambi weikobo yomobo we a group ose echama ya UPA egero nyare konyara nomination.
You know, you realize we are not going to run away from the social platforms because that is where the campaign is going on most of the time. But we are also going to the ground. Some of us where we are, there have been centers where even youths are being registered in centers. Like at Kenyatta University, we have a center which is registering students, and you cannot imagine the queues that have been on that line registering to be voters from morning to evening, from Monday to Friday. This is the third week now.
Abasae mbanyara ko babago tebwanga nonye na barabu na bako imokie birogo bire elective seats tari lazima banyare ko bagochorwa mbate biwanga nabo bakwimukio obo MCA nabo bakwimukio obo governor, even the presidency.
Arenayo abarai be kiama kia UPA batebire NIGO bari tayari kubwaterana n'ebyama byonsi bya gisiasa biri bigukia kumusira omoske Fred Matiang'i ase eganga yae yokorigia ekerugo ky'oborai bwense. Koripoteria Ensoko TV erietariane Linet Nyambane.